there is a need for us to have some patience. And I'm going to speak to you from a very real place. I'm an African American male, and I've been looking for change for a long time. Change has not been easy, has not been fast, it has been slow and steady. And we're trying. And I understand the impatience because we all want a change to what's happening. But what we can't take is people pointing the finger at us as not wanting to be on the same page or on the playing field to make change happen and occur. So while I hear the question and I understand the question, I need you to go back and think about what does it take to make change occur? Come with solutions. Come help us make these changes because we can't make the changes on our own. We keep getting this, you answer this question for us. But if we answer the question wrong, you're not going to be satisfied. So what we need you to do is tell us what you need and tell us maybe some ways that we can help to alleviate that because we all don't have the same mindset around this. We need your support. We need you to help us make this happen. So if you're looking for a savior, I can't not tell you that there's one that can do that for you in the distinct way that is going to satisfy every single person on this campus. We have to use patience. All this hit us this week. And we have to figure out how to go about doing something to make that change work. We have to have all hands on deck and to make this happen. Now I'm speaking to you from a person who has dealt with discrimination, hurt, pain across the board. And I'm not trying to sugarcoat this or anything along these lines, but I need everyone to recognize that the University of Central Florida is not trying to make you suffer. We're trying to do the right thing. And sometimes that takes change and takes time. And so I'm just asking you all to support us. Come, sit, talk with us. Email us, sure. Do the text campaigns if you need to. The UCF fired him. I understand all of that. But the fact of the matter is, it's not going to happen overnight. It hit us yesterday just like it hit you. And so if you're looking for us to have immediate answers when people are out there doing these atrocities, then what you're saying is go and do things willy-nilly without a structure so that we can continue to have strife and stress in the world. We have to do this in a way that is going to help the systemic changes that are necessary happen. You have gotten the ears and the hearts of the university administration. We hear you. We understand you. You are not hearing mixed messages about racism. It's here. We understand it and we're going to fight it. But we need you to recognize that it's going to take some time. Fight with us, not against us. Thank you.